What is going on, guys? This is Johnny here of Coming to YouTube, and welcome back to another video in the Android Studio app development tutorials. And this time we're actually going to finish our app. Yes, finally, after so many videos, I think this is the fifth one, and now we are finally done with the basic app, with the basic contact manager. But as I already mentioned in the previous tutorial, we are actually going to be making a more advanced version of this app pretty soon. So we are going to keep this app, and we're going to extend it in the next couple of tutorials. I don't know. Okay. So now, all we have to do, all that's left, is actually we have to populate our list with all the stuff, all the contacts we added. So to do that, we're gonna use a list view, or our list view for all the contacts. So up here, I'm just gonna quickly create a list view, and usually you have to import this, but I think it's already imported apparently. And I'm just gonna call this contact list view, and yes, I think that's about it. Alright, so then we are actually going to need to assign this variable up here, our list view, and we're just gonna do that by typing contact, that's interesting, contact list view equals 2, and we are gonna use the same method as above, find view by id r.id dot list view. Simple as that. Okay, so now we assigned our list view, and now what we want to do, we want to actually populate our list view each time we're going to click this button up here. So we're going to need to set an adapter to do this. What I'm going to do, I'm going to create an external void or function or whatever. So it's not external, but I'm just going to make a new void right here, and we're just going to call this populate list. Okay, and what I'm gonna do, we're gonna need the array adapter because we created this contact list adapter, and that's exactly what we're going to need. So I'm just gonna do array adapter, and right here you can see that it says extends array adapter contact. So this is basically just a type, and now I'm just gonna call this adapter, and this equals to a new contact list adapter, like that. Okay. And now all we have to do to actually get this working, we're just gonna need the list view we created. So it was called contact list view, and then we're just gonna do contact list view dot set adapter, and boom. And now all we have to do is pass through the adapter. So now it's actually the adapter is set for all the contacts, and that's already about it, I guess. So this is actually all we have to do for this function, so we could also move this up here, but I just like to keep things organized. I know it doesn't really look that organized, but okay, who cares. So once we added the contact, we actually want to populate our list. So we are just going to type populate list. That's it. So we're just going to call the function each time someone clicks the button, because that's actually going to create a contact. So it's going to add the contact to the contact list, and then we're going to populate the list. That's all we have to do. Okay, so this is actually about it for the app, I guess. So let's take a look and see how it works. Okay, so here we are in our app, and now let's just create a test contact. We're gonna add a phone number, just a random one, random numbers, and an email, which is just test@cmanage.com, and the address is manager C AVE6. Okay. So now we're just gonna hit add contact, and now it's gonna say task has been added to your contact. So if we go to this list right now, we can see that this contact has been added, and this is actually how it looks like now. So we can just add another one, so we could just do test2, change some stuff here. Actually, we don't need to change stuff, but I'm just going to keep it at that. And now let's just use .org and AVE8. Now add the contact. Now test2 has been added, and as you can see, those contacts are getting added to this list right here. So we could extend this and go on and all that, and I could even add something that is actually gonna put up some options to call this person, or to navigate to the address, or to go to this email address and send them an email. And this is exactly what we're going to do in the advanced tutorial series, but right now we got a basic app, it's fully working, and as you can see you can add your contacts, but of course it's not stored anywhere, so whenever we close the app our contacts are going to be gone. So we are basically going to do this in the advanced tutorial series, so we're going to store this on the user's device and we're going to exit it from there. So we're always going to save all the contacts he created. So yeah guys, I can just say, thanks for watching my tutorials. I hope it really helped you. I think it's quite helpful to kind of participate in this whole project. I'm also going to be putting all my projects on GitHub or somewhere, so you will actually have access to the whole source code, and that's really gonna be an awesome thing, guys. So you can just look at my code and not watch my videos all the time. Yeah. So, thanks for watching. My name is Johnny of Frosh on YouTube, and I hope I will see you in the next tutorial series where we're going to be extending the functionality of our very basic contact manager app. Thanks for watching again, and I see you soon. Bye.